to Flokkie's Den. My name is Flookie and you're welcome indeed. It's a journey, it's December, end of the year. Everyone is tired, everyone is winding down, and we've all had, a roller coaster this year as well. COVID and all that has gone all the way throughout the year, but we are so grateful all the same. If you're new to my channel, you're welcome. Please click the subscribe button and don't be left out of all that we share. Here we get to share tips and experiences that new immigrants will find handy when they are migrating into a new country, especially information that they need for them to settle in a new country. If you're an immigrant that is looking forward to landing, you're still in your country, go through my previous videos. You'll find some handy information that you need for you while you're still away before you land, so you can keep abreast of things that you need to know ahead of time before you come into Canada. And to my old subscribers, what can I do without you guys? Thank you so much for coming back again and again, and I appreciate all your comments, your likes, and your feedbacks all the way. So 2021 has been an eventful year for me. So many things has happened in between my 2 years landing in Canada with my family, and this year it's been such a wonderful experience for me, especially when it comes to getting my desired job, right? So I joined this wonderful company, and I have a wonderful supervisor at that. Her name is Dion, and she's been such an inspiration, especially when you are an immigrant into Canada and you are looking for acceptance when there's that diversity thing going on around, and you're lucky to have someone that you work with that breaks all the barriers. She's made the work worthwhile for me. It's just been 3 months, October, November, December, that I joined, and it's been like eternity. It's been a nice experience, and the support is so enormous. The support is overwhelming. I can ask the dumbest questions and I get responses. It's just a wonderful team that I also work with. Guess what? Dion happened to be my supervisor at work, and it's Christmas, it's the season, we're winding down from work, and everybody's trying to relax after an eventful year. She sent me an invite last week that she would want to take me out for lunch so we can catch up on things, and that was so exciting for me. I'm going out this afternoon for lunch with her. I'm actually looking forward to exciting things that we're going to share together, and also getting to know her up close and personal. I'll be taking you along with me while I have lunch, and we're going to Kio's Kitchen. It's on Broadway in Saskatoon. So I'm going to be tasting the Thai dishes from Kio's Kitchen. I've looked at their menu online and I've just been so confused what to pick out of my menu. So I'll take you along with me when Dion comes to pick me up from home, because I work from home, and then we get to have the delicious traditional Thai dish from Kio's Kitchen. Come with me and let's go have lunch.
3 days later.
Hi guys, this is another day in the vlog, and I'm going to watch a movie right now with a couple of friends of mine at the cinema in downtown, and I think we're going to have a lot of fun doing that. So I'm heading out right now with a few of our girlfriends to watch the movie in downtown at the cinema. I'll show you what I can show you if I can during the movie session. As we look forward to Christmas, which is the week that we're in right now, hopefully we'll still be able to have much gathering, much fun, and things to do together as friends and family as we celebrate this wonderful season. Come along with me and let's go watch the movie. Okay, let's go.